Finally get to go to my little secret place. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't know how long it's been. It's been a year that I walked over here. A year. And I'm back at my little secret place on the dock of the bay. Yes, on my scooter. Who got the keys to my beep beep? Yes, y'all. My favorite place. My little secret place. Ah, yes. Yes. Freedom. Okay. Dude, I might can see he's on this little boat, okay? His little dinghy. This is my little secret place by the water. It's something about the water. Yes. Look at these beautiful houseboats. I would love to live on one of these. I sure would. Sitting by the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Hey, doot, doot. Sitting by the dock of the bay.